Ostoja is a Polish coat of arms that origin from Sarmatian Tamga and refer to Royal Sarmatians using Draco standard. Following the end of the Roman Empire in the Middle Ages, it was used by Ostoja family in Lesser Poland and later also in Kujavia, Mazowsze and Greater Poland. It is a coat of arms of noble families that fought in the same military unit using battle cry Hostoja or Ostoja, and that applied their ancient heritage on the coat of arms, forming a clan of knights. Later, when the clan expanded the territory to Pomerania, Prussia, Slovakia, Hungary and Romania, they also adopted a few noble families of Ruthenian origin that in 14th–15th century settled down in Lithuania, Belarus and Ukraine, finally turning into the Clan of Ostoja. His different lines of the clan formed surnames after the properties and adding the adoptions. Ostoja was also recognized as COA of several families that was not necessarily connected to the original clan, forming heraldic clan. History and notable members. Blazon. Original version. The coat of arms of the medieval version differed significantly from the generalized form in later times. The following reconstruction appearance comes from Joseph Szymanski. Gules, between an increscent and a decrescent, a cross in pale point downwards, all or, on a helmet, a dragon sable exhaling fire, gules, on two crescents pointing up, or mantling sable lined, or modern version from the 17th century replaced a cross between crescents with the sword in pale point downwards, on a crowned helmet, 5 ostrich feathers. The last images of the seal of Dobie Kozice from 1381 that is identical to an early sign found on the entry of the church in Wysoczów, Nikolaus Ostoja de Saborzyca from about 1232. Imaginary Ostoja coat of arms. Those coat of arms as below are of noble families and linked en masse to Ostoja simply because the moon of the sword in the shield. The list of imaginary Ostoja coats of arms might be longer than here presented. There are also Russian families that were ennobled and given the coat of arms that also looked like Ostoja during the partition time and that some call Ostoja. It is also possible that coats of arms were painted with error during the nobility verification process in the time of partition. Families that are members of the Clan of Ostoja. Below, COA from the left. Blyszczanovich, ancient family noted in 1497, error in 1806 by Russian authorities in Kiev that painted the coat of arms in the wrong way. Miklasevsky. This family was adopted to the Clan of Ostoja in 1569 when the family received nobility, supposed to sign original Ostoja coat of arms. Third from the left is Ochocki coat of arms that received nobility in 1683 and was adopted to the Clan of Ostoja and sign modern version of Ostoja, with sword instead of a cross. Fourth from the left, Gawlowski family of ancient origin and with a coat of arms that is simple error of foreign authorities, supposed to be original version of Ostoja. Strakowski family is of ancient origin. Also here the coat of arms is modified during partition of the Commonwealth, but here most probably family helped authorities to change their original coat of arms. Purpose or reason of that is not known. Finally, the coat of arms of Nagłowski family that received nobility in 1590 and was adopted to the Clan of Ostoja. Note that there is another family of Nagłowski of Ostoja of ancient origin, but it is almost impossible now to separate those families from each other. Families that are not members of the Clan of Ostoja. Second row from the left. Bogorodski received nobility in 1775 and a rank crown of a baron, not being a baron, although in this version crown of the noble by error since there are no other paintings of correct coat of arms yet. Next coat of arms is of Rachevsky family that also received nobility in 1775. The coat of arms of Kleczewski family followed by Mokrewski family, that are not members of the clan but show similar coats of arms to Ostoja. Last three coat of arms in this row are of families Orda, Platt and Wasilewski. None of them are members of the clan. Coat of arms have been simply added to Ostoja and are called variant of Ostoja coat of arms. Third row from the left, coat of arms of Fink von Finkenthal family that received nobility in 1805, followed by the coat of arms of the Ostaszewski family that received nobility in 1785. Most probably the name is wrongly spelled, and should be Ostaszewski. Third coat of arms from the left is of Kral family that received nobility in 1768, followed by the coat of arms of the Sisko family that should be not mixed up with ancient Siskowski-Dosiski family. The coat of arms of the Turkel family that received nobility in 1676. This family is extinct. The last two coats of arms in third row are of Wysocki and Zawodki families. Both families have never been considered as members of the Clan of Ostoja, but also here the coat of arms become recognized as variant of the Ostoja coat of arms. In the case of Wysocki family belonged to the Clan of Koloma with a modified coat of arms called Koloma ze skrzydłami, Koloma with wings. Von Finkenstein coat of arms. Finally, below is the coat of arms of ancient German family von Finkenstein, also written as Fink von Finkenstein, referring to the family of Fink that is noted in German records already in the 13th century. This family moved at the time to the land occupied by Teutonic knights. In time this family became prominent. It is not known who decided to call this coat of arms Ostoja Pruska, but it is a significant example of breaking every possible heraldic rule in the name of Polish clan tradition where clan members used same coat of arms. It seems that this coat of arms was added to Ostoja almost by force. There are two families that were part of the Clan of Ostoja in the 14th century according to the records of Teutonic knights. They lived in Pomerania and that have been given this coat of arms by all publications, the families of Liski and Skrzyewski-Velskrzewski. Here it is notable that the Skrzyewski-Velskrzewski line in the 18th century suddenly changed the name to Liski. It is not known if there is any blood relation between those families around the 14th century. It is presumed that both families with roots dating back to the 14th century used the original Ostoja coat of arms, and just because this family lived in Pomerania or Prussia, they have been given the coat of arms of the Fink family and called it Ostoja Pruska.